ramp. It's such a great heartwarming experience. It's not about style and outfit. It's about great experience. They're having fun, smiling, and having great confidence.
I'm very happy that school has given big chance for the kids to participate and show their talent. The whole program was very good. I enjoyed it very well.
This is a wonderful experience of creativity. Children walked the ramp so joyfully. It was so heartwarming to watch.
And the event was wonderful. All the kids were walking joyfully, dancing happily, and their costumes were also wonderful. The umbrellas, best of waist, everything was wonderful and amazing.
So it's been like always Shamrock comes with innovative ideas, and this has been the first time for us, like the stylish Strutters, and we thoroughly enjoyed.
Yeah, and today is not just about kids showing their style, it's about showing their strength.